Hello and welcome. You are a many-faceted light being. We are time anti-time.
In this unit, we will become more familiar with the monadic self.
The monadic self.
The monadic self is the purest spark of divine consciousness within each of us, a timeless ray emerging directly from Source, often referred to as the God Self or the mighty I Am Presence. Embodying the monadic self marks a high of spiritual evolution, the realization of deep unity with the divine, the dissolution of all separation, and the conscious alignment of our will with divine will.
The monadic plane. Monadic plane. This exalted realm is the permanent home of the monad, the undivided point of pure consciousness and light within us. On the monadic plane, all masks of personality, emotion, and intellect fall away.
Here, the soul recognizes itself as one with all creation. It is the penultimate stage before complete reunion with Source, where individuality merges into wholeness without loss of unique essence.
The monadic body is the subtle vehicle that allows the monad to anchor divine energy into all other layers of our being. Often described as pearl-like or radiant white, this body holds the wisdom, memory, and karmic imprint of every soul experience across all timelines.
At this level, all soul experiences are integrated, and the monad acts as the blueprint and guiding intelligence behind the evolution of the personality, soul, and spiritual triad.
The monadic mind, the superconsciousness. The monadic mind is the observer consciousness, an unshakable awareness able to witness, comprehend, and integrate all experiences without judgment or attachment. It functions as the superconsciousness, along with the conscious and subconscious minds.
Operation. This higher mind draws neutral, all-encompassing conclusions, guiding decisions with universal wisdom rather than individual preference. It grounds the clarity and unity of the monad into everyday awareness, fostering a profound sense of equanimity.
The monadic heart and circulatory system. Monadic heart. The monadic heart is the spiritual core from which flows the deepest love, will, and life energy. It supports the intricate connection of soul and spirit and serves as the seed atom guiding the human blueprint from incarnation's first moment.
Monadic circulatory system. The energetic flow from the monadic heart nourishes every layer of being with divine vitality, fueling spiritual transformation and healing. It radiates unity and unconditional love, dissolving the boundaries between self and the infinite.
The aura of the monadic self-appearance and quality. The aura at this level is dazzlingly luminous, often perceived as white or crystalline, with an expansive radiance that surrounds and permeates all other auric layers.
Function. It represents the highest vibration of the human energy field, holding the records of all soul journey and manifesting as an irresistible field of harmony, unity, and divine peace.
Impact. This aura is both protective and unifying, attracting synchronicities, wisdom, and deep connection with other awakened beings.
Relationship with the mighty, I Am Presence. The mighty. I Am Presence is the living reality of the monadic self, the direct link between your individual being and the one source. It is experienced as an endless wellspring of light, consciousness, will, and unconditional love. When you call on the presence, you invoke the highest principle within yourself to anchor divine purpose, protection, and creative power in your life.
Embodying the monadic self with the mighty I Am Presence. Begin by sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breath. 1. Invocation of presence. Silently or aloud, affirm, Beloved mighty, I Am Presence, guide me now. Anchor your radiant light, love, and wisdom through my heart and being. Let me realize my oneness with you.
Awakening the monadic heart. Visualize a brilliant pearl-white flame in the center of your chest, growing brighter with each breath. Sense this flame as the monadic self, radiating light and bliss throughout your body.
Raising awareness to the monadic plane. Allow your consciousness to gently ascend, traveling upward on a ray of white light. Feel yourself bathed in the boundless, loving energy of the monadic plane. Absorb this sense of wholeness, unity, and peace.
Unifying mind and will affirm, I align my mind and will with divine intelligence. Let every thought and action express the wisdom of the monadic mind.
Connecting to the universal circulation. Feel the light from your heart circulating through every cell, out into your aura, connecting you to all beings. Sense the flow of energy as harmonious, all-embracing, and restorative.
Radiating the aura of the monadic self. Visualize your aura expanding as a luminous field of pearl white light, enveloping you and your environment in unity and divine love.
Closing and integration. Silently affirm, as I return to daily awareness, I carry the consciousness, love, and power of my monadic self and the mighty I Am presence in all I do. Gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and aligned.
In conclusion, embodying the monadic self under the guidance of the mighty I Am presence is the revelation of your true, unbreakable connection to Source and all life. This awareness radiates into every thought, action, and relationship, transforming your journey into one of joy, service, and unity.
We are happy that you have embodied your monadic body and self as part of who you are. You are amazing. We are time anti-time.